Hello, this is Norrie from Norrie Sharing. Thank you for coming and welcome. Another episode of a dessert, and I'm going to show you how to make a New York baked cheesecake. Make sure you have the special equipment, a 9 inches spring-form cake pan. Let's start with the base. You need digestive biscuits and melted butter. I took about 10 pieces of the biscuits, put it in a Ziploc bag and crush it with the rolling pin. You can also use a chopper or a blender to crush the cookies. Pour in the melted butter into the crushed cookies and mix them well. Have the pan ready and then put in the crushed cookies that have been mixed with the butter onto the bottom of the pan and press it flat like this. Now let's start preparing the cheesy part. These are the ingredients needed. We need about 1 kilo of cream cheese. That's about half of the big chunk I have here. I don't have a mixer, so I am using my huge food processor. You can also use a hand blender. Now let's beat the cheese. Say about a couple of minutes. Put in the sour cream into the cheese. Then add in other ingredients like plain flour and Castor sugar and also vanilla essence. Mix them again for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then I am adding eggs one by one. We need about 4 eggs. Once you have added all the eggs, just continue to beat the mixture until you are happy with the texture. Remember the cookie base that we bake? Now it's time to pour in the cheese mixture on top of the cookie base inside the cake pan. Don't worry, no cheese was wasted in this episode. I scraped all of them into the pan. Shake it off a bit and then it's ready to be baked into the oven. We need to bake the cake for about an hour and 10 minutes or until the center is firm. The timing will vary depending on what type of oven you're using. Once the cake is done, you need to refrigerate it at least 4 hours or overnight before cutting it. So have patience. So this is how it looks like, the baked cheesecake. Let's cut the cake and grab a bite. Always have a glass of water to clean up the knife each time you cut the cake. Otherwise it will become messy like this. The original recipe is using a cherry pie filling to put on top of the cake, but I'm using strawberry instead. Let's give it a try. The taste is so incredibly nice. I'm just speechless. So please give the recipe a try and please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon. Have a nice day and thanks for watching.